Jocelyn.
And my name is Michaela.
And today we're going to be making a mason jar that can hold your pens and pencils.
The supplies you'll need are yarn,
Mason jars,
glue.
And we're doing this for a teacher, so we wrote her name on it.
So with this jar, we pre-painted it, so that's why it has colors.
So with this jar, we're going to be wrapping string around it, but first we're going to take the glue and we're going to brush glue along the jar. The best way to do this is to have someone stick their hand in so that you don't have to touch the glue. And then you don't need to get every last spot, but once you mainly get it glued, then take your string and start wrapping it around. And you can also do multiple kinds of string. So this is the jar, and we didn't cover all of the jar with string because we need this one. So now that we finished the string or the yarn, we're still gonna give this to our teacher. So we're gonna put her name, and we put tape on the back a lot, and we're gonna stick that on the lid. And this is the finished result of this jar, but next we're going to talk about
For this jar, you'll need another jar,
some tape,
scissors,
and some printed out paper that you can laminate.
So the reason this jar is colorful is because we painted the inside. So if you want to paint your own jar, you're going to need to do one color at a time, let that dry, and then do your next color.
It's optional, but we also used washi tape around the front or the top of the lid. But now we're going to stick on the stickers on
The jar.
So now we stuck tape on the back of the stickers, and now we're going to stick them on the jar.
So we're going to put the big one on the front. And now we're just going to randomly place the other ones. We decided to move the stickers and put them towards the front. You don't have to have these colors of a jar or this theme of stickers. You can choose whatever you want. This is the end result of the jars, and this is how it looks with pens, pencils, crayons, and stuff in it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
You can't see anything.
My sister said she'll kill me if I get anything on it. Hey guys, welcome. No, how about you just say it? Hi, my name's Joyce.